Welcome to the video where we will discuss and explore affordable ways to build muscle. It is a common belief that gaining muscle mass requires an expensive diet and gym membership, but that's not necessarily true. With a little creativity and discipline, building muscle on a budget is possible. The first way to build muscle without breaking the bank is by incorporating bodyweight exercises. Bodyweight exercises use your own body as resistance and can be done anytime and anywhere. Exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and lunges are great examples. Another cost-effective way to build muscle is by using resistance bands. Resistance bands are inexpensive, lightweight, and can be used for a variety of exercises to target any muscle group. If you don't have access to a gym, you can always make your own equipment at home. A sturdy chair can be used for step-ups, tricep dips, and elevated push-ups. You can also use a backpack filled with heavy items as a weight. When it comes to building muscle, nutrition plays a vital role. Eating a balanced diet that includes lean protein sources, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats is essential for muscle growth. You don't need to spend a fortune on food. Choose cost-effective protein sources like eggs, canned tuna, and chicken thighs. You don't need to break the bank to build muscle. Incorporating bodyweight exercises, using resistance bands, making DIY equipment, and choosing cost-effective food options are all great ways to achieve your fitness goals on a budget. So, start exploring affordable ways to build muscle and get stronger today.